When it comes to natural hair growth treatments, one size do not fit all. What will work for you might not work for the other person, and that is why there are a lot out there for you to choose from. Just as the store-bought products, you will have to know which really works for your hair. And the only way to find out is to try them out for yourself. And once you find out something that works for you, you need to be consistent with it. On this channel, I show you different recipes that have worked for my hair using natural ingredients. And today I'm going to show you another amazing hair growth recipe. So make sure you're watching to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to bring to you another amazing hair growth recipe, and I'm able to do this because of my returning subscribers. They support me a lot by coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. Thank you for the support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is rosemary herbs. You can use the fresh rosemary or the dry ones. I'm also going to need some black seeds. Black seeds are also amazing when it comes to hair growth, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So make sure you're watching every step of this video. Another natural ingredient that is really effective is the fenugreek seeds, and I'm going to need some fenugreek seeds in this amazing recipe. So now that I've introduced to you my 3 powerful natural ingredients for today's recipe, let's get started. But wait a minute, not too fast. You know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues or grow their hair much faster with these simple recipes. Alright, so at this point, I just put everything in a saucepan and I added about 3 cups of water. I'm going to set this on the fire and allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to set it aside to allow it to cool down. So once everything is cooled down, it is time to strain it. We need to separate the ingredients from the water, but we're not going to discard any of them. Both the water and the ingredients are important in today's recipe, so make sure you're saving both of them. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside and we're going to move on to our next natural ingredient. You all know I love my aloe vera. Aloe vera is really great when it comes to natural hair growth. Aloe vera contains vitamins that are needed for healthy hair growth. It will moisturize your hair and also prevent flaky scalp, dandruff, or any scalp issues that you might be having. If you use aloe vera consistently on your hair, it is going to improve the texture of your hair, make it really easy to manage. You're going to experience less to no tangles, and it's also going to prevent hair breakages. If you're someone who suffers a lot from split ends, hair shedding, hair fall, your hair is always breaking, your hair tangles a lot, you should incorporate aloe vera to your hair care regimen. It will amaze you how healthy your hair is going to be and also how faster and fuller your hair is going to grow. If you haven't tried aloe vera in your hair care regimen, please start now and be consistent with it. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to add my ingredients to my aloe vera. You remember the ingredients we boiled together? This is the time to add it to the aloe vera. And we're also going to add the water that we separated from the 3 natural ingredients that we boiled. So we're going to add some water to this recipe. There is no measurement to it. Just make sure you are not adding so much water in order to get a thicker consistency. So at this point, I'm going to blend everything together like no one's business. And here you are. I just want you to know that I really enjoyed filming this video. And I hope you're also enjoying watching it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I show you how to grow your hair much faster using natural ingredients. I also show you how to care for your hair recipes that have worked for me. I am not greedy, so I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel. So make sure you are joining us. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure you are communicating with me. I want to get to know you and also ask me questions in the comment section. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright guys, so regardless of how smooth this recipe comes out of the blender, you still need to strain it. At this time, I'm going to add some oil to this recipe. I'm using my DIY aloe vera and rosemary oil today. This oil is really powerful and I have the recipe, so I'm going to leave the link to the recipe in the description box. Make sure to stop by to watch this because you're going to love it and it's going to be really helpful to your hair, especially when it comes to this recipe. But if you do not have this oil, feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, any oil that works best for your hair. So at this point, our recipe is ready. And guys, just looking at it, look at how smooth this is. And it applies smoothly on the hair. Just trying this for the first time, you're going to fall in love with it. You might not even use any deep conditioner again once you try this because you're going to fall in love with it. Aside the fact that this recipe is going to give way to new healthy hair growth by cleansing your scalp, it is also going to treat your hair strands. It is going to make detangling your hair so much easier. It is going to prevent hair breakages, and just after the first use, you will experience less to no hair breakages. Whenever you are using this, make sure you are working in sections. After applying it, use your fingers to massage it into your hair strands, onto your scalp, to every part of your hair. After that, make sure to put it in a twist or any protective hairstyle to hold in the moisture. Do this to every section of the hair. And after you are all done, put a rubber cap on the hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then go ahead to rinse it out with just water. You're going to use this as a deep conditioner whenever you wash your hair. And guys, if you are consistent with this, you'll be amazed at how healthy your hair is going to be and also how faster and fuller your hair is going to grow. I just love anything that comes with fenugreek and aloe vera. The two together have done amazing work on my hair. My hair used to be really hard to manage, but now it's very easy to manage. It is really soft. The texture has improved. And with this recipe, I just love how it feels on my hair. Look at how soft and beautiful my hair is looking. Guys, you really need to give this recipe a try. And I promise you, you're going to fall in love with it just after one use. Thank you for stopping by today to watch this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it because I really enjoyed filming it. I know you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!